Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix the Brinks doorbell camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, Brinks doorbell camera depends on your doorbell wiring. So if the voltage is too low, the device may turn on but fail to connect to Wi-Fi. So you need to first of all check your transformer rating and make sure it is providing enough power. If the camera keeps restarting during the setup, this is usually a power related issue. So first of all, you need to basically fix your power supply. Now during pairing, the distance matters more than the final placement. So you need to first of all remove the doorbell temporarily, and then you need to bring it close to your router for proper setup. Once it connects successfully, you can then just install it back at the door. So Brinks cameras connect best to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your router is using the band steering or combined networks, the setup may fail. So make sure that you create a separate 2.4 gigahertz network and then you connect the camera to it. Now some routers block the new devices or limit connections. So make sure that you disable the MAC filtering and device limits temporarily. Also make sure that the network is not set as a guest network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.